Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord notifications. So what you want to do first is check your user settings right here. So click on that, go to notifications right here, and make sure that the enable desktop notifications is turned on. And here you could turn this also to the text-to-speech notifications if you want to. Here on the community alerts, you could turn that on too. And here on the sounds, so you could basically customize it if you want sounds. Someone messages and someone deafen and someone deafen, or someone or you mute or you unmute, something like that. And once you're done with that, it still doesn't work. Go back and click on your profile right here. Make sure that your status is set to online, because if it's on do not disturb, it won't send you any desktop notifications. So make sure to set to online. Once you're done with that, what you need to do now is turn on your Windows menu, search for notifications, click on that, and search for Discord right here. And make sure that everything here is turned on. And here on the priority of notifications, make sure it is set to the top, just like so, so that you'll always see the Discord notifications first. And on here, allow up to set up for notifications when do not disturb is on. So if you want the Discord notifications to still have notifications basically when the do not disturb feature is turned on. So if you want Discord to be the only app that sends notification, I suggest that you turn this on. But that only applies when you have the do not disturb feature turned on. And once you're done with that, you just go exit out of Discord. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.